So I believe many of you still use a Firestick. Many of you probably got a new Firestick. You might have got a new streaming device over Christmas time. You might have just got a new Firestick in general. So what might happen is you want to jailbreak it, or what everyone calls jailbreaking. So to do that, you need to activate this setting. And the big thing these days is you actually have to have the setting. That's the big difference. So what you need is your Firestick. I'm going to show you how to do it. Before we do that though, if you haven't already and you're brand new into streaming, or if you're a regular long-time streamer, do remember to get Firesend on your streaming device. This is an app I use and it will help with your jailbreaking or sideloading going forward. You can also get it on your Android TV. And do check out Firesend on the website as well. If you check out Firesend on the website, we're currently giving away an Nvidia Shield, a Firestick 4K Select, and some gift vouchers. Some of them will be ended by the time you probably watch this, depending when you're watching it, but there'll be every month there's new giveaways and they're free to enter. Everything's free to enter on there, so do check that out. You can get Firesend from the Amazon App Store or the Google Play Store, and the giveaways are on Firesend website. Okay, so the one setting you need to check first, hit follow, forgot that part, hit that follow button, and you're going to go to your settings, you're going to go into My Fire TV, and what you need is developer options. And this is where a lot of people are going to come stuck at the moment, because Amazon over Christmas and on the run up to Christmas, because of a few changes they've made, they launched a brand new Firestick called the Firestick 4K Select. Okay, and the problem with that is you can unlock your developer options. I'll show you how to do that in a second. But inside is one big difference. So to get these developer options, you go to where it says About, on whichever device you're on, select this top one and you click it 7 or 8 times. I think it was 7. It's been a while since I've done this. And at the bottom mine says no need, you're a developer. Yours, once you keep clicking, will say, congratulations, you're now a developer. You go back, these developer options will be here, and you click it open. The problem is, on the Firestick 4K Select, all you have is Deep Sleep. You don't have ADB debugging or install unknown apps. And I'm afraid your best bet, if you have got that, all you're going to be able to do is your official streaming. You can't sideload or jailbreak anything on that device. So if you've got the option or the receipt, send it back. But I know they sold it really cheap. And if you're just using it for official streaming, it's not a bad idea, because you can put all your official Netflix, Prime, those sort of apps on. But if you want to be putting other apps on, you can go on to install unknown apps, and then you can turn it on for whichever app you're using to install those other apps. So for example here, I will use Firesend. We turn it on for Firesend, then we can install other apps via Firesend. Okay, ADB debugging is also useful to turn on to enable ADB connections over the network. You don't specifically need that to install externally, but it's good to have on. It just saves people saying, oh, I'm getting certain errors and all that. So turn them both on when you're installing, and then you can turn them straight back off again when you're not installing. So those are the settings you need to open your device up to the outside platform. Then if you've got Firesend, which I showed you through, magnifying glass, Firesend, F-I-R-E-S-E-N-D, Firesend. You can install this here, shares files instantly across the devices. You can then share files from your phone. You can send files from your phone to there. You can actually browse the internet if you want to. And you can download directly. You can go to quick websites. You can go into different rooms. You might have rooms if you want the up-to-date rooms on the website itself. We do have a list of, let me find it here for you here, a list of rooms you can try out as well. These are VIP rooms that VIPs have made and made them public for you. More and more appearing constantly, and there's more things coming at all times. So if you scan the QR code to get to the website if you want to, but the main thing was making sure if you've got that setting or not. And if you don't have that setting, I'm afraid you're up, you're going to be in a bit of trouble trying to get that side loading jailbreaking done. Brilliant. So I've been Dr. Squiffy. If you need Firesend, check underneath. If you need anything else, VPN linked underneath as well. Hit that follow button. We keep you updated all throughout the year, every year. We've been doing this for a long time now, and I'll see you on the next one.